Yes, again, long time I don't do no video from the fans them out there and stuff, you know. Yes, you know, big up my wife Glorina Claiborne. She's my heart, she's my soul, she's my everything. I breathe her out. Yes, man. You know, I want to say it's been a long month now that I don't post up anything. So, you know, my wife has been pinching me and telling me that I should be doing something for my fans and stuff, you know. So I said I want to do this, everyone, you know, to show them that I am up. You know, I'm so busy running around doing stuff, you know, a lot of stuff, you know, because big things will come, you know. And when big things will come, you're gonna see big video, and you're gonna appreciate it. So please get your laptop, your phone, anything, your tablet, because when the time comes, it's going to be a reality show live on YouTube, live on Facebook. So I want you to get everything gears up, because lover boy from my lover wife, she's the best wife ever. You understand what I'm saying? I'm here just chilling and cooking, you know. And I said I'm going to do this little video for my fans. So big up on yourself, fans, you know. Love all, blessed. Love my wife. Peace out. Come on. Gaza, straight.